So hey guys, what's up, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to install this Android stereo in a Skoda Laura. This is the stereo I bought for this car, Aman company. It came with this frame also. You can see it comes with 4 set of AC panels and wiring too, and GPS antenna also comes with it. So first what we have to do is we have to open this frame. You can see here, from here you can pull it out slowly. You can see, slowly pull it out, otherwise it can break. And from top you have to use a screwdriver so that it priors off. So I will remove the frame and then show. So now as you can see, the frame has been removed. It's a easy DIY. You can buy the stereo online and you can fit it by yourself at home. Not so difficult task. So we will keep this frame aside properly as it's the original frame. This is the stock stereo of my car. Its display has gone completely. Now for removing this, you can see here are the caps. Just insert a screwdriver and pull the caps out. You can see there is a screw inside. Second one. Keep the caps safe. You will not require it, but it's good to keep it as an antique piece. So now you have to take a Torx bit and remove all these screws, and it will come out. So as I have removed the screw, now just pull the stereo off. See, it has came off. It's heavy a little, so take precaution, it will not fall off. Now we have to remove all the wirings from the back, and then we will have to do the further process. Guys, as you can see, now I have removed this old stereo. You can see this is really heavy. So you have to disconnect these two connectors from the back, one this and one this. You have to first press this lever and then pull this out. It's a lock. Press this tab and then pull this lever out. It will come out easily. Now take our stereo, new one, and place it in the frame and wire it. So this is the wiring that came with the package. Now what you have to do is just connect it as it is. It's a male female connector, and this is the antenna wire. It will be get connected into this antenna cable, and this is the CAN bus which controls the steering wheel controls, as you can see. So I will fit the connectors and then show you. So guys, as you can see, the connector has been plugged in. So there are two connectors given. One is this one. If your car has this one, so you can use this, and other is this one. This is for Laura, Skoda Laura. You can see it has been fitted perfectly, and this is the clip which is to be pressed properly so that there is no loose connection. I think this connector is different. So this is the whole wiring room. Now you have to just first connect the stereo and check if it's working or not. Then only do the further process. I will show you now. So guys, as you can see, the radio has been started. So let's see. This is the interface. I will see if there is any issue and let you know. So guys, as you can see, while installing you will face a problem that the stereo will always turn on. So for that what you have to do is just remove this red wire. You can see this one, this red wire from this connector with the help of pin, and attach one extra wire to it, and then open this fuse box from here. I will just show you on which fuse I have tabbed that stereo. Just a second. open the fuse box, and you can see this fuse, this last one. This is a this headlight switch fuse. This one you have to tap one wire from here and bring it and connect it to the red wire of this our connector, which will come with radio. And after doing that, it will work when you turn on the ignition. Show you once. You can see I am now turning the ignition on. I have turned the ignition on. You can see the stereo has started. Now if I will close it, I have closed the ignition now. You can see it has been closed. So that's for the installation video. I will make a review of this stereo soon and let you know. Thanks for watching.